love the little snow. Oh my god, so cute.
Oh well.
You know, I don't like them either.
But I like
so
this.
nice.
Is
Do
this
you
new
like
talisman?
it? It is. I got some new voodoo in there. Someone tried stealing it
Nothing
earlier.
in it.
Oh, maybe they did steal it.
Maybe it fell.
Maybe it fell out.
Was it liquid?
It was liquid.
Well, that's not coming back.
Well, if you see any purple ducks flying around, grab them.
Purple ducks.
Oh, this make for a good mask.
Right?
Y'all y'all saw my story. Remember when I went to the mayor's ball and I had that mask? I wish I had that mask.
Maybe if I shrink my head a little bit, then it'll fit.
Or make the mask bigger.
There you
Or
go.
make the mask
We
bigger.
can make a deal on that.
So,
Shouldn't that be like
I'm working on a painting of you. And when I finish it, I have to come bring it so you can sign it.
a painting?
A painting!
I'll put them right here. A paint. Are you all working on it?
No.
Or is it just
Just
you?
me.
Wow, even more impressive.
She's the artist.
You know.
I get that.
How you doing out here?
I'm fine. Not too hot, not too cold.
It's not too bad today.
Very happy because, you know, Halloween time, you get in the spirit.
The best.
Finally got a new theme for that party. Very excited.
What?
I still don't know what I'm going to be for Halloween.
You don't have a costume yet.
What
Facilitate
about an
costume.
evil voodoo doctor?
What about you?
But I'm already here. Already here.
I mean, it's
easy though.
yeah. You could just like walk around, nobody would
If
even
you think
notice.
this
You
is
know.
easy,
True, true.
You didn't wake up like this. You didn't wake up like this.
Shall we take a photo? Let's take a
Did you see that look? He did not appreciate. Good. Go ahead.
I'll do that same pose. You want to cross the legs?
Oh, yeah.
And then it's kind of like down by the banks, but like you cross the legs.
It's like English perfect.
Usually you have your cards.
Usually.
Right.
Next time.
All right.